it does not contains last level, right? So that's why this is complete binary tree, right? So this is complete binary tree. For suppose I am taking this is not a complete binary tree. Why? Because so here we are not fill left value, so left children. So that's why this is not a complete binary tree. Or suppose I am considering this is complete binary tree. Last level does not contain any children. So in previously I am taking one example. In that example I am not writing this one. So this is not a complete binary tree. Why? Because so here C does not contains any children. So this is also a complete binary tree, right? So here I am taking one more example. F G. K L. This is not complete binary tree. Why? Because so here we are not fill the leftmost children. So that's why this is not a complete binary tree, right? So these are the some of examples related to complete binary tree, right? So then I am writing what are the maximum number of nodes. Maximum number of nodes same for complete binary tree, that is 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. Minimum number of nodes. Minimum number of nodes n is equal to 2 power h. 2 power h. Then I am calculating the minimum height based on maximum number of nodes. So this is the same for full binary tree as well as normal binary tree. So that's why directly here I am writing log base to h plus 1 for n plus 1. So this is n plus 1 minus 1. So h is equal to, right? So this is about maximum height based on maximum node. Maximum nodes we can find out the based on minimum nodes we can find out the maximum height. So that is n is equal to 2 power h. So both sides we have to apply log. So log n h log 2 base 2, that is 1, h is equal to log n. So this is the maximum height for complete binary tree. So what is the complete binary tree? Each node should have 2 childrens at all levels except the last level, filled from left to right only, right? So this is about complete binary tree. So what is the next binary tree? Perfect binary tree. Perfect binary tree. Perfect binary tree. So in this, all the internal nodes should have 2 children, and all the leaf nodes are presented at same level. Presented at same level. Or we are writing one more definition. Every node must have two children in all levels. Each level contain 2 power L nodes. So L is nothing but level of a node, right? So these are the two definitions. What is perfect binary tree? All the internal nodes should have 2 children and all the leaf nodes are presented at same level, right? So what is another definition? Every node must have 2 children in all levels. Each level contains 2 power L nodes, right? So L is nothing but level of a node, right? So here I am taking one example. A, B, C, D, E, right? So this is not a perfect binary tree. Why? Because each and every node contains 2 children. All leaf nodes are presented at same level. So this is level 0, level 1, level 2. But leaf node is presented at previous level also. So that's why this is not a perfect binary tree. Then here I am taking one more example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Level 0, level 1, level 2. Right? So here this is perfect binary tree. Why? Because all the internal nodes should have 2 children. So A contains 2 children, B contains 2 children, C contains 2 children. All the internal nodes contains 2 children. That property is satisfied. And all the leaf nodes presented at same level. What are the leaf nodes for this one? D, E, F, G. All the leaf nodes are presented at same level. So here I am taking this one. Every node must have 2 children in all levels except the last level. So except the last level, and each level contains 2 power L nodes. For suppose this level 2 power L. So what is the level? 2 power 0, 1. So it contains 1 node, correct? So here what is the level for these nodes? 2 power 1, which is equivalent to 2. 2 nodes are presented. What is the level? 2 square? 4. 4 nodes are presented. So that's why this is a perfect binary tree, right? So all the perfect binary trees are complete binary trees as well as full binary trees or strict tree binary trees. But vice versa is not possible, right? So every perfect binary tree is a complete binary tree as well as full binary tree. It satisfies the properties of full binary tree as well as complete binary tree. But all the complete binary tree, full binary trees are not a perfect binary tree, right? So this is about perfect binary trees, right? Then we are discussing one more binary tree, that is degenerated binary trees. Degenerated binary trees. Degenerated binary trees, right? So in degenerated binary trees, there are 2 more types: left skewed binary trees right skewed binary trees. Right skewed binary trees. In left skewed binary trees, every node every node should have left children's. So coming to right skewed binary tree, every node should have right children's. Right children's only. So this is about left skewed binary tree, right skewed binary tree. So coming to examples, A, B, C, D. So this is a left skewed binary tree. Why? Because each and every node contains left children's only, right? So that's why this is left skewed binary. Left skewed binary tree, right? Here I am taking one more example, A, B, C, D, E. This is right skewed binary tree. Why? Because each and every node contains right children only. So that's why this is right skewed binary tree. Right skewed binary tree. And here I am taking one more example, A, B, C, D, E. This tree is a combination of both left skewed as well as right skewed binary tree. But this example is not comes under left skewed binary tree as well as right skewed binary tree. But this is a combination of both left skewed and right skewed binary tree. So that's why this tree comes under degenerated binary tree. So this is also one of the type of degenerated binary tree. It is a combination of both left skewed as well as right skewed binary tree, right? So this is about what is binary tree and what is the maximum number of nodes and minimum number of nodes, and what is the height as well as maximum height and minimum height of a binary trees, and types of binary trees, right? If you have any doubts regarding to this session, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.